Positive self-talk. We can change the way we think for the better by the way we talk to ourselves. To use the jargon psychologists prefer, this is often called self-talk or self-posed questioning. This is an internal voice which determines how we perceive every situation. It includes our conscious thoughts as well as our unconscious assumptions or beliefs. Having a positive conversation with ourselves can be so powerful, it becomes life-changing. Negative self-talk not only adversely affects our view of ourselves but also blocks our progress. It therefore limits any change of success and also makes us far less ambitious. Clearly, it is absolutely vital to avoid negative self-talk. Once we get into the habit of analyzing our own self-talk, noting whether or not it's constructive, we shall find that it is much easier to inspire ourselves and others. When we change, so does the world around us.